and welcome to Nigerian Food TV. Today I'll show you how to make ice cream without an ice cream maker, and here are the ingredients. Apart from the condensed milk, whipping cream and vanilla bean, you also need a frozen loaf pan or any other container to put the ice cream in. In a small bowl, whisk the condensed milk and vanilla extract together and set aside. Then pour the cold whipping cream into a large bowl and whip the cream on high speed for 3 minutes. Beat the cream until it forms a stiff peak. Now combine the whipped cream and the condensed milk together. Mix well and pour into your container of choice. Cover and store in the freezer for at least 6 to 8 hours until it is firm. After 8 hours, take out of the freezer, scoop out, serve and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and do give us a thumb up if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe and check out our website for more delicious recipes. See you in the next video. Goodbye.